Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, revolutionizes coding by modeling real-world entities as objects. These objects encapsulate data and behaviors, known as attributes and methods, within classes. This structure enhances code readability, maintainability, and scalability, making it ideal for complex projects. Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, revolutionizes coding by modeling real-world entities as digital objects. It organizes data as attributes and behaviors as methods within classes, creating reusable units. This paradigm enhances code clarity, maintainability, and scalability, crucial as projects increase in complexity. Object-oriented programming excels in real-world modeling, allowing developers to represent tangible entities like cars or emails with intuitive structures. Encapsulation bundles data and functions, maintaining organized and secure code. Additionally, object-oriented programming promotes code reusability through inheritance and polymorphism, enabling developers to write code once and apply it across various parts of an application. A class is a blueprint, defining properties and behaviors for objects. It's not an object itself. An object is a specific instance created from a class, with concrete values. For example, the bicycle class defines properties like gears and color, while the object MyBike is a specific bicycle with 21 gears and red color. A car class acts as a blueprint, detailing properties like color, model, and year, alongside behaviors such as drive and brake. Each car object, like red car, blue car, or green car, is a unique instance with specific attributes, such as color and model, derived from this class template. A class in programming serves as a blueprint, defining attributes and methods. Attributes store data, while methods define actions. For instance, in a dog class, attributes like name and breed are set, and methods like bark define behavior. Creating an object, such as my dog, instantiates this blueprint, allowing Buddy, a golden retriever, to bark.